serious?
I'm telling you. You need to see the way he was looking at me.
You?
I know the prince loves me.
Okay. Oh. Amara, what? I hope you're not going to do anything stupid.
Okay, shake Kikita. Just watch me.
Greetings, beautiful maiden of our land. Where are you up to?
Do not even open out your brown teeth and fake that smile with me. Don't! Please, I'm begging you. What? What happened? Why are you bitter? Me? Bitter? You want to know why I'm bitter? You want to know why I'm bitter? Okay, I will tell you. Or whatever your name is called. You cannot come from nowhere that you want to date the prince. It's not possible now. It's not possible. You will go back to where you are coming from. Leave the prince alone, though. Leave him alone because it is not going to work. You have heard me.
Amaru, what is the matter with you? You don't need to be this rude to her.
I have spoken to her. If she has ears, let them hear. Use them well. My dear.
Sorry, my dear. Sorry. Don't mind her. She can be this rude at times.
Please, don't take her words.
It's okay. It's okay. I am fine. Okay. So how is Ugeze? Oh, he's fine. And Adeze? Everyone is fine. Okay. Tell them that I'll be coming to home to see them. All right. Okay, bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Amara.
What? What?
This your stupid love for the prince will put you into trouble one day.
I don't care. I don't care.
Amara, is it me you're talking to?
My prince, I have come to entertain you. What will you have me do? Do you want me to dance for you or I should sing?
Amara,
my prince,
I am not in the mood for any of your entertainment.
My prince, you don't look happy. I want to make you happy. Your happiness is what matters to me right now.
And I said I'm not in the mood. Just go away.
My prince. I love you. Yes. Yes, I do. I've been keeping this to myself all the while, but it's true. My prince, I know even the gods knows that this feeling is true. Nobody deserves you better than me. I can't shake. Look at me.
Amara.
My prince.
It is not a bad thing to have feelings for someone. But I want to let you know that emotion is solely personal and can be managed. Whatever feelings you think you have for me, I don't need it. You can either kill it.
Prince,
Don't speak while I'm speaking. Don't ever express your feelings to me again. Get out.
But can I stay shake for
I said, get out!
Use of Amachala We are here.
The task we are about to embark on is our duty as the youth of this entire kingdom. We cannot allow someone who does not belong here to occupy our land and grow wings. It will be a thing of shame if we allow the son of no man to occupy our land and in the long run challenge us. Our fellow youth will think we are not representing them well. So it's time to take action. We must do something about it. Because our people say, do you agree with me?
We agree.
Good. The elders are already on their way. We shall wait for them. And as soon as they join us, we'll go together and confront that son of no man and chase him out of our land. Onyak Banangwa Kanodu, Mourning, Mourning, Onyak Banangwa Kanodu, 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 Mourning, Onyak Banangwa Kanodu,
Mourning. What brings them to our house? What is it? What do you want from us? Dikeh, what is the problem?
The youth have a message for you people.
Bam. Nana, the son of no man. Today is the day of judgment for you. We, the youths of Amachala, have decided that you will leave our land. You do not belong here.
Yes.
And we are here to tell you that you have overstayed your welcome.
Bam. Yes.
Okay? Yes.
I see. Hichiabala. Mazendam. So this is your plan to destroy him? Hmm?
Only a foolish cat will challenge a tiger just because they look alike. None of you is in the position to judge me.
I warn you! You cannot withstand us! Nana! You cannot!
Anabalagumba.
Nanundai kaka na baraimba. 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 Nanundai kaka na baraimba.
Son.
Nanundai kaka na baraimba.
Son, don't do son.
I said, what is going on here? Is my father aware of this?
My prince, we are just trying to settle a small family issue.
Oh yes, my prince.
Yes.
It's a lie. My prince, they are here to intimidate their generation, not me.
Yes.
My father must hear about this. I'll get out.
Good. Leave. Leave. Work hard.
Nana.
Welcome, my prince.
Thank you, mother. I hope you're okay.
Fine. Let's sit.
Can I leave?
I have never seen my brother so embittered ever since he recovered from his ailment. He has been so miserable and sad, and has infected our home with sad mood.
So, where is he now?
Nobody knows his whereabouts, and he does not want to be comforted. And that's what makes it worse. My mother has been worried, and I'm afraid if anything happens to him, my mother might not survive it.
I'm worried too. It seems he has started avoiding me. I don't know where to see him.
And I do not know where he is. He has shut everybody out, including me, his sister. Ugeze has never been like this ever since our growing up.
It's okay. I'll find out time to talk to him and equally know the problem.
Please, I am counting on you. As it stands now, only you can get him to talk so that we'll know what troubles him.
It's all right. I'll talk to him. I'll be going to the market.
Ngwano, I will let him know you are here.
Please do that.
Okay, Ngwano, come.
Thank you very much, my prince.
Call me friend. I see you as a brother I never had, so call me brother instead.
All right. Thank you very much, Thank you very much, my brother.
I admire your bravery. How you stood your grounds against all odds, even as a son of no man. I envy your strength and confidence. You are such a strong breed.
Thank you very much, my brother.
I will present your case to my father. I will make sure he does something concerning your so-called status as a son of no man. You are a son of the soil. You deserve some respect. I will make sure no man ever calls you that again.
You are indeed my brother. Thank you very much. That's so kind of you.
Adure deserves such a man like you.
But she's already with you. And no one deserves her better, more than me.
Why? Because I'm the prince? My father's status as the king of this land has nothing to do with my personal life. I am just an ordinary individual who struggles to breathe and live like every other normal human being. Meeting Adure added so much value to my miserable life. But for how long? For how long will I be with her? Adure deserves someone that will always be there for her. Someone like you. I have never been there. I have only struggled to be there for her. But this time, I have no more strength left inside of me to struggle.
You speak with a heavy heart, my brother.
Yes. And that is why I came to see you. So I could share my burdens with you. But now I have to go. My parents will be worried about me.
Once again, thanks for your love and concern.
My praise, thank you so much for your visit. We appreciate.
Destiny can be delayed, but it can't be denied. Destiny can be delayed, but it can't be denied. Wicked men will try, evil men will try, but when the gods arise, miracles are gamata. Oh, love and destiny.
And where are the royal virgins? Now I want every one of you to listen and listen good. Let there never be a time I will ask for my son and you will tell me you don't know his whereabouts. I am instructing you now. Even if my son insists on letting him alone, I am ordering you now to trail him behind, so as to be sure of his whereabouts at any point in time. If this repeats itself, I shall skin you alive. I will punish you, and I will deal with you decisively. Have you heard me now? Have I made myself clear?
I wanted to follow him, but this stupid
No excuses. Now go. Go in search of my son. Go now.
I found you, Amara.
Sister.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Oh.
I'm fine.
You kept all of us worried.
I'm sorry, sister.
Please don't do it again. Huh? Let's go.
Father. Mother. Please, I'm sorry. Mother, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry for getting both of you worried. Please.
That's all right. So where are you coming from?
I went to see my friend.
You mean the hunter?
Yes, Mother. You're very correct.
Do you mean the one they call the son of no man?
Yes, Father. Father, I had a fight today with some elders and the youth. They tried to suppress him for no just cause, Father. Father, please. I want you to intervene in this case concerning him and the king's men. Please, Father. Nobody should be called the son of no man in this land because nobody actually is, Father. Please. It is very humiliating and degrading. I want you to intervene. Please, I beg you, Father. Mother, please.
I never knew or heard there is any dispute in this community in his regards. Well, I will look into it. I will find out tomorrow. Then I will find a solution.
Thank you, Father. Thank you so much.
For some time now, you have been all to yourself. You don't seem happy anymore. Is there anything you're not telling me?
Mother, I'm fine. I have held out all my burden. Everything that has been bothering me is wiped away completely. Thank you, Father.
Ada, Ada, you have cried all day long. Please, stop, so you do not develop headache. I can't stand your tears. Please. It's okay. Oh.
Adure. It's okay, my daughter, eh? Stop crying. I know how you feel about his death. Hell, imagine the Igwe's wife, eh? Lolo passed on as soon as she could not bear the pains. Hey. Everybody in this village feels so bad about his death. But the gods knows why. Huh? Please stop crying. Put yourself together, one. Oh? Hell! Oh.
No one has ever called me a friend, but he called me a brother. He accepted me when everyone rejected me. I never knew that his visit yesterday was to say goodbye. My prince. My prince. Death.
denied my son healing and watched him live with a tormenting ailment for more than 2 decades, which he struggled for his life. Now you have taken him away and left me with no one to replace me as a king and continue my lineage. And my wife also followed him to join my ancestors. Therefore, I have come to inquire from you what I have done to attract your curse upon my household and upon my reign. What abomination have I done that I am forbidden by the gods not to complete the cycle like every other king before me? I have never claimed to be without sin, but gods of our land, why treat me with such cruelty? I beseech you, gods of our land, to treat my case with mercy. Mercy! Mercy!
The tragedy that befell the house of Igwabogi is so much a great concern to me. For us to have lost the only heir apparent to the throne, the gods must be angry with us.
I feel bad. I feel bad for our entire community. And most especially, the Agbogi, the entire family, is a great loss.
It's very sad.
That's true.
But what is bad luck to one man? It's good luck for another. Yes.
I don't get you right. What are you trying to say?
Ichie, as the wealthiest man in this land, you are the next in lineage for the kingship now. Are you not? If I know, Igwabogi is not going to take another wife to bear him another father.
That is true.
Yes. Am I not right?
You are right.
Okay.
But I don't have interest in royalty. And being a king has never come to my thoughts.
Iche, when a man is coming towards you, you need not tell him, come. The throne is already here with you. Why are you shying away from your responsibility?
Excuse me, please. Excuse me. You know what? Let's drop this issue. This matter, let us drop it. Rather, let's move for the Igwe's house.
Okay. Ichie, there is nothing better than what I discussed with you the other time about the maiden in your house. How far have you gone?
Thank you. How far?
Well, that thing has been too difficult for me. Because for me to call somebody a wife who has been calling me father, it's hard. Very, very hard. Too difficult.
What is difficult in him telling the maiden to be his wife? Nothing. What is difficult there?
Nothing. Iche, are you okay?
Okay on what?
I said, are you okay as a man?
I am very, very okay. But you know what? I will give this matter a second thought. A second thought.
Second thought?
Yes.
Ichie, whatever you want to think it now. Before your mother will call you also. Think fast.
Think it now.
Now.
No. Okay. Yeah.
Adure. Adure is such a great lady. I believe she deserves better.
She has gotten more than she deserves.
Do you mean to say she's fulfilled with me?
Of course. Who will not be happy she's loved by the prince?
Yes. Yes, I'm the prince. But what kind of prince am I? I believe she does deserve more better than my kind of prince. I believe she deserves more better than my kind of prince whose life is in constant misery, always struggling to breathe like every other person.
Ugeze, how could you say such a thing about yourself?
Yes. Yes, I have to say it. I just want you to believe and know why I said Adure should belong to someone well deserving. Not me.
Just hold on. Are you thinking of breaking your love affair with her?
No. Never. Look at this. I can't afford to break my relationship with her while I'm still alive. But how much life do I still have left inside of me?
Oh, Geze. You scare me with the words you say.
I'm sorry. Tomorrow, I want you to help me talk to her. I want you to help me tell her how much I love her.
I will, as you have said it. And I'm sure she will be swept off her feet.
I believe it will make more sense to her. I want you to get me more meat. I want to fill my stomach today.
Okay, just shut up. I'll be right back. At first, I was uncomfortable with the words he said. But I never knew my brother was saying his last words. I wish I had known better. I wish I had known better.
You mean he said all those things to you before you joined the ancestors?
Yes. But I never knew he was pouring out his heart to me. I never knew.
I thought I found my destiny. I thought my meeting him would make me a happy and a fulfilled woman. So you should have died. Okay, sir. You should not have died. Why? Is this the destiny you meant to be with me? Is this the destiny you promised me?
Adeze.
You promised to be with me.
Adura, you should not talk like that. My brother loved you so much. He loved you so much and thought you deserved someone better than him. No. Adura, when he was saying all those things, I never understood what he meant. Let me tell you something, Adura. Ugeze, my brother, actually got tired of life. My brother got tired of life, Adura.
Ugeze, is this the promise you made me? Is this the destiny you are talking about by leaving me?
Adura, it's okay. Adura, it's okay.
Ichiopala, does it mean the son of no man has succeeded in silencing us? He has defeated Mazim Namdianeche, his son. And the appearance of the prince that day has sent fears in the hearts of the youths. So tell me, is there nothing else we can do to eliminate him?
Impossible. As long as I'm alive, I will not allow him to settle on parallel ground with us, who are aborigines of this land.
Then what do we do?
To deal with him, of course. I have a plan. But the issue here is, are you willing?
Of course I'm willing. As long as the plan will help to eliminate him, I am willing.
That is why I brought you here. Take it.
I hope so. And I hope you will find reason with what I'm about to say.
I'm listening, Papa.
First of all, I feel very sorry for what happened to your friend, the prince, whom all of us lost in the cold hand of death. I never knew you had something with him till his death.
Thank you, Papa. His death affected everybody. Then I'll be fine.
Fair enough. But the big thing now is, will you find reason with what I'm about to say?
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Okay. You know, throughout this our land, I am the wealthiest. The gods bless me bountifully. You know it. I am not lacking anything as a human being. And considering the fact that the kingship of this land will soon direct it to my house. So, I don't want what happened to Igwe Bogidi to repeat itself in my own house. So, what I'm lacking now is a male child. And I've been thinking over it, and my mind directed me to you.
Papa, how is that possible? How about Mama?
I am the man of the house. I am in charge. You know I love my wife so much and will not like anything that will hurt her. But what I'm talking about, all I'm saying is for our general benefit.
Papa, no. You know I can't say no to you. The truth is, I do not see myself calling you my husband. Yes. No. A man I have called my father all my life. And your wife I called my mother.
No. Get up. Don't worry.
Papa, you're a good man. Yes. And I owe you my life. But I want you to reconsider me in your thoughts. Because I will not be comfortable in sharing same bed with my mother. Please. I assure you by the gods that it's not yet late for your wife not to bear you a son. Please. Please, Papa.
It is well. I will not dare take you as my wife against your wish. And I would like you to see it as a repayment of taking good care of you. You understand me?
Thank you, Papa.
So I so much appreciate your sincerity.
Thank you, Papa.
Obi.
Yes, my love.
I didn't regret accepting your proposal.
I am glad you did. As a matter of fact, I came late. I would have come earlier.
You didn't come late. The gods knows the best time.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
You sure, Pala? Greetings.
Wait. Ame, what are you doing with Echezana?
Ishok Pala,
I say wait. I say what are you doing with him?
Ishok Pala,
I say wait.
And what was that supposed to mean?
Wait. Echezana, what are you doing with her?
You, wait. We are coming.
Echezana, wait. Echezana, wait. I say wait there. Where is he? Where is that young man? Where is Echezana? Where is that young man that don't know his boundary?
Ichapala.
Where is your son Echezana?
What is the problem?
I have no problem with you. I want to see your son Echezana.
Tell me now, it's my son. Whatever the problem, let me know so that we can resolve it peacefully. Please, Ichie.
Ichie Namde.
Please.
Get your son Echezana out here. Right here. That's your son. I need him. Where is Echezana?
I am here now.
Echi, why did you have to go behind me and take the woman that was meant to be my wife?
Ishok Pala, I know you have 4 wives. So which of them are you talking about?
Amaka, my next to be wife. I have made all the necessary arrangements for her to be my 5th wife. Why do you have to come in between us?
Wait. Are you talking of Amaka? The daughter of
You already know her. That is her. You know her already. That was the same maiden I saw with your son Echezana, holding her in public.
Hey, Echezana, is that true? Please, better stop seeing her.
Papa.
Stop seeing her.
Papa, so you are supporting him?
Why not?
Papa, you are supporting him?
Why not?
It is obvious to me that you elders of this land are the problems we have. And I will not stand here and listen to this nonsense.
Madinam, your son just walked out on us.
Please, take it easy, take it easy, take it easy.
Let him understand that the sun shines on those standing before it falls on those who are kneeling under them. Let him understand.
Ichie, please. Echezana!
Yeah.
I remembered the story my father told me concerning my destiny. When I met Ukeze, I thought I found the destiny I seek for. But little did I know that there is nothing like destiny. There's nothing.
If you don't want to follow the destiny your father described, how then do you want to live your life?
Following my destiny has stood as a distraction to my life. I want to live a normal life. I want to live a normal life. I want to follow my heart. There's nothing like destiny. There's nothing like destiny.
So where is your heart leading you?
The other day I came to your house. I met your mother. She asked me a question.
What did she ask you?
What? Look at you. My sister. Ijoma.
Ajure.
Mama might have gone to the market.
Yes, she could not wait for you. You took longer at the stream. Why?
Yes, I did.
Adure, I am surprised at the kind of choice you've made for yourself. I must say I'm quite disappointed.
And what does that supposed to mean?
Abu, what is wrong with you? Are you okay?
What have I done? I was only telling her the right thing. I am sure Ichia Konami is not aware of this. Because there is definitely no way he would let this happen. I know him.
Obum, let today be the first and last time you stop me on my way and talk to me. Did you have to do that? Huh? Does it mean you have no respect for your fellow man to say such things before him? Obum, I do not think I know you well enough. I am just noticing some things in you. But let me tell you this. This is not the kind of man that I want for myself.
What have I done? I am sorry, I am sorry.
And how dare you talk to my sister in that manner? How dare you? I think I have to reconsider my stand with you. Excuse me.
Ichoma. Hey. What have I done?
I cannot marry such a man like you. I have heard about how that man has been harassed and humiliated by the kinsmen. But to think that the man who wants to pay my bride price is among the men that perpetrate such regrettable acts, I cannot take that. For this reason, consider our courtship cancelled.
Hey, Ijoma, please. Ijoma, please don't do this to me. I accept that my actions were wrong. I thought I was doing the right thing. Nana is a son of no man, and Adura is way too good for him.
How dare you? How dare you, Obum? Huh? Call your fellow man a son of no man. And who are you to say that? Are you better than him? Are you? I have seen more reasons to break up with you.
Ijoma, please. Okay, all right. I've heard all you've said. I accept that I am totally wrong. I have heard everything you have said. Please.
You know what? I am not going to break up with you. But on the condition that you should go and apologize to him. Also apologize to my sister for the embarrassment.
But I can't do that. I cannot apologize to the son of no man.
I see! It is over! Get!
It's over! Never! I will never apologize to him.
This is very serious. What are you going to do?
I don't even know. I mean, I am so angry right now.
Listen, this is not a thing of anger. Unless you don't love Ijoma like you claim.
Of course I love her. I cannot afford to lose her. I have sacrificed a lot for her, and you know, our marriage plans are already in progress.
Then you must do what you have to do.
Are you suggesting I apologize to the son of no man?
Yes, if that will make you not to lose Ijoma. Or do you have a choice?
Eye of the gods, what brought you to my palace?
The gods sent me to you. Your cry has got into their heart.
The gods are kind indeed. They are kind indeed. Eye of the gods, please, I would like you to stay back for a meeting that will take place here very soon now. I will need your eminent wisdom in taking some decisions in some issues on my table this morning.
I will stay back, Your Highness.
Good. Guards!
Your Highness.
I want you to go and summon all the cabinet members. Tell them to be here immediately. Also summon Namdi Ibe. And also the hunter too. Go quickly.
I have come to apologize for what I said to you today. I should not have said those words. And please forgive me for all the ways I've treated you. And even all the times I've disrespected you. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry.
You're doing this because of my sister Ijoma, right?
Nana, I joined him to ask for your forgiveness. I condemned his actions and made him realize how wrong he was. I am sure he's going to respect you henceforth. To find a place in your heart to forgive him, please. Because Maria, Ada, Yoya.
No. Your presence is needed at the palace now.
What does the Igwe want from my son?
son of Amoroya wana bahuru ewo. The son of
Igwabogi, I greet you. My fellow elders, I greet you. Igwe, I want to thank you for the special attention you have paid to the matter that concerns me. Thank you, Igwe.
Lapumaka, Ogini, you are the cause of the problem Nana is facing now. And I swear by the gods of our land, Angolungi, if anything happens to him, if by any means Igwe decides to punish him for whatsoever reason, you will have me to contend with. It's a promise.
Because nothing will happen to him, and I'm willing to make amends, whatever it will take. Nugo, nothing will happen.
The son of Noma. Obugenio kamwambiari jemeru mweluwa ewo omwegi.
What has been done? He has done nothing. He has done nothing. What has he done to Igwe? He didn't do anything. My son did not do anything to Igwe. What does Igwe want from my son? What does he want from my son? What?
Nothing is going to happen to Nana. Please, just put yourself together and stop crying. Make on. Oh.
Should give me back my son. Should give me back my son. I want my son back. I want him back. Igwe, please give me back my son. Give me back my son, Igwe.
We all know that in our tradition, a woman does not partake in sharing of family properties. Everything goes to the male children. Even when the man has only a son. So I don't understand the reason. A young man we don't know his origin will grow up and start dragging land with a son of the house. I have not seen anything like that in this land, and we must not allow that.
It is indeed very, very complicated to make judgment in a case like this. The young man said his foster father, who was a brother of Nnamdi here, gave him the land in particular. Therefore, even though the man in question is no more, do we not think it is wise that we protect the deed and let this young man keep the land as a gift from his foster father?
Mban. Ichiakonam, you are wrong on this one. Remember that in our tradition, we have no place for a son that we don't know his origin. A son of no man for that reason. No, it won't happen in this land.
Nana should be concerned about tracing his origin. That is his father and his mother. And not to come here to start dragging over my late brother's land. Even if it is true that my late brother gave him the land, that action was wrong. And I am here to correct that wrong action. It is against our customs and tradition.
Yes. Young man, you said that your foster father willingly and directly allotted those lands to you.
Yes, Your Highness.
Good. Please, can you tell us who was there to bear witness to the deed?
Yes. There's a more here. Was there as a witness.
No. The wise one? Now, have you been able to ask your foster mother who your father is?
My foster mother told me that my mother died after giving birth to me. I've never heard anything about my father. And I was brought to her by my foster mother to pass.
That was when you were young. Now you have grown. Have you ever made an effort to ask her again? Or tried to trace or locate where your father comes from?
My foster father made me swear that I will never ask questions about my origin. And I promised him I will never ask questions. And that promise.
Now, can you tell us who your father is? What is his name?
Okay.
Can you tell us who your foster mother is? Or what is her name? I would like to see her. Guards! Go now to this young man's house. Summon that woman there, who is his mother. Go! Eye of the gods, can you please tell us your connection with this young man and tell us everything you know about his family background?
Your Highness, I'll tell you. The mother's name is Akudo, the only surviving child of Mazi Ikeduru of the Duru clan. Your Highness, do you now remember something?
So Ezemo knows everything about this, yet he kept all to himself, allowing the curse of the gods to destroy my household.
Igwe, what is it?
Igwe, what is happening?
Have you confirmed it?
Yes, I'm pregnant. What are we going to do about it?
Who knows about this? I mean, apart from the both of us, who else knows about it?
My father.
Your what? How? Why would you allow your father know about it?
Because my father is the closest person to me since my mother died.
All right. Listen to me. Don't allow any other ear to hear about this. I don't want it. Go home, tell your father I'll come later in the day and talk to him. Let's discuss about it.
Okay. We'll be waiting.
Okay. And remember what I said. Don't allow any other person to know about this pregnancy.
Nobody will know about it.
You sure?
Hey!
Icheibe, I'm sorry I cannot marry your daughter because I'm already betrothed to another woman.
So my father must not know about this. Icheibe, you know that, it's not in my power to make choice on my own. If I had the power to make choice, definitely I would marry your daughter. But there's nothing I can do. So my father must not hear about the relationship between me and your daughter, or that she's pregnant for me. So that's why I'm here. Let's talk, let's reason, and know what to do about this.
So, my prince, what exactly do you want me to do?
I want you to terminate the pregnancy. She must not give birth to that child.
But my prince, what you're asking me to do is an abomination in this land.
And it will be more than abomination if my father gets to know about it.
I'm sorry, my prince. I can't do what you ask of me.
Mazibe, you don't seem to understand what I'm talking about. I am not here to bargain with you. What I asked you to do is an order. And you must do what I asked you to do, else you have me to contend with. The news about your daughter's pregnancy must not filter into anyone's hearing. Because if it does, I will not just deny the pregnancy, but I'll make sure I eliminate you and your household out of this land. Demi Icheibe.
You want to terminate the pregnancy because of the threat of the young prince.
What can I do, wise one? I do not want trouble.
You do not want trouble, but you already want to fall into trouble. Killing an unborn child is an abomination in our land. The gods forbid it.
I know, wise one. That is why I have come, so that you will tell me exactly what I should do.
My daughter, stop crying. You will not kill the seed growing in your womb. He must live.
But, wise one, the prince threatened my life and that of my family.
He is threatening his future. The whole of his future shall be threatened in the same way he is threatening you.
So that was what happened. The man had to take his daughter away from the land to the mother's land. And while there, the daughter gave birth to the child. But the daughter took ill and died after giving birth to the child. The father brought the child to me secretly before he died. And I handed him over to late Nze Ibe and his barren wife Adako. And I warned them to keep the secret from the child.
Petesemo, I later visited the Chiebe to inquire of the girl and the pregnancy. And he told me he took the girl back to her mother's place. And that the girl died in the course of trying to remove the child from her womb.
A lie well deserved.
Your Highness, The woman was stubborn and she refused to come with us.
The son of no man. Obugenio kawambiari jemerumweluwa. Ewo omwegi subu. Hana choyo kule.
You see? It has happened! Orego! What you people wanted has happened! Who knows what Igwe has said to him? Who knows? I hate you for this! It has happened!
Mama, is there anything I need to know? Nana has taken a lot of time in the palace. And you refuse to answer to Igwe's summon to the palace. Mama. Tell me.
Mama, now I know the truth.
I am sorry. I am sorry.
What truth? What is happening here?
How could you keep such secret away from me? You kept me in the dark for so long. I was humiliated. I was treated like an outcast.
Can somebody tell me what is happening?
I'm sorry. It is not my will to keep the truth away from you. It is the same odds that kept you from asking questions. That kept me from speaking the truth, son. From telling you the truth, son.
I hate you. I hate you. Mother, I hate you. How could you?
The son of
My people, I am really very sorry. I'm sorry. I was young and naive. I could not make right decisions for myself. The gods have punished me for my sin. Please, forgive me. Forgive me.
Son, you have to forgive him. He wouldn't have found you if the gods have not forgiven him. Forgive him. He is truly your father. Yes.
The gods are wise. Their purpose cannot be thwarted, even though mortals may try.
Myself. I'm so sad right now. I should have tried. I should have tried to make him mine. I should have seduced him.
What are you saying?
I should have been his woman by now. Exactly what I was thinking. I was so slow in making a move. So slow. What was I thinking?
Even you. Both of you are ridiculous. What is this one?
No wonder they say it's the ugly caterpillar that turns into a beautiful butterfly. We are doomed. We are doomed.
This is trouble. We are in trouble.
We made our future king our arch enemy. Oh, Okwago.
And the question is, what do we do now? That is the question.
We must go and make peace with him. As a matter of fact, I am going there now.
My son, that's the hard thing to do. Eh?
Are you coming with me?
As if we had a choice. Do we have a choice?
You are right. Rain does not fall on one roof alone. We are all equally involved.
Yes.
Let's go with him. Let's go with him.
Prince Ugeze, your death has brought pain upon my soul. You are a rare gem. You loved and accepted me when everyone calls me the son of no man. You encouraged me. You made me believe in myself. Without knowing you are my blood. I wish death never succeeded in taking you away. My blood, I promise to love and respect you for the rest of my life.
Love and Destiny can be delayed, but it can't be denied. Wicked men will try, evil men will try, but when the gods arise, miracles are gamata. Oh, love and destiny. Ihunanya na karaka emo. Love and destiny. Ihunanya na karaka Love and destiny. It's okay. Ihunanya na karaka emo. Love and destiny. It's okay. Ihunanya na karaka emo.
Finally. I thank God that destiny come true.
Love and destiny. Ihunanya na karaka.
On my honor, this is for you. Rest in peace.
Delayed, but it can't be denied. Destiny can be delayed, but it can't be denied. Wicked men will try, evil men will try, but when the gods